Hello everyone. Today I am starting a new playlist that is Figma software learning. So I think this is very popular software for UI UX designer. UI UX designer do their work by this software. So this is very useful and important software for UI UX designer. So for this you have to sign up in this website, that is figma.com. When you came to the site, you will see this type of interface and you have to click sign up. After click sign up, you can create account by your email or you can just click continue with Google. If you have already signed in your browser by a Google account or Gmail account, Gmail, then you can just click continue with Google and then you will sign up automatically in this website. So after sign up, you can see this type of interface. This is your name which you given previously at the during the sign up, and this is the options. Here you see new design file, new Figma file, import file, and here you see the recent work which you do recently in Figma software. So I'm just scroll up and here you see the recent options. This is the recent work and this is the draft options, and this is the community options. So we will learn all the things step by step. In this video I just inform you, or I just show you the interface of Figma software. So this is Figma software interface. If you want to create a UI design, then you have to click new design file. So I'm just clicking that. Okay, after click the new design file, you will see this type of interface. This is the name of this project file or of this Figma file. If you want to change this name, then you have to click just one click here, and after one click you can change the name. Like I'm writing, this is the name of this file. So after write, just hit enter. This is the file name. After file name, you will see here this is options, and here you see layer, asset, page and others. So by this video we saw the interface of Figma software, which is very useful for UI UX designer. So thank you very much.